So this is how you can make your Apple Watch not fall asleep. And there are like more settings or approaches on how you can do this. So let me just explain this. Open up the settings on your Apple Watch. And in here, what you can do is scroll through the options right here. And you should be able to find the display and brightness section right here. And you have some things, obviously. And the first option is the always on display. So you can see when this is turned on, it means that the Apple Watch will technically not fall asleep and you will still be able to see some information. So this is a little description saying that it will always show the time, and you can also choose if some complications have information showing there as well. So you can show apps and stuff right there. So it's up to you to set it up the proper way, but essentially always on the display means that when you have your Apple Watch on your wrist, it's going to go dark when you don't use it, but you will still be able to see the time. So the refresh rate drops, but you can still see something, right? So that's how you can set it up. Keep in mind that not every single Apple Watch has this feature. It's been part of the Series 6 and later, I believe, right? So you need to make sure that your watch supports it. And also there is the other thing still in the display and brightness section called wake duration. So when you click on this, you can essentially decide how long your Apple Watch is going to be awake for. So for me, it's currently 15 seconds after tapping on the watch. However, you can switch it to a very specific setting of wake for 70 seconds. So essentially, you have the ability to choose how long the watch will stay on when you tap or wake it. It's a little bit unusual, to be honest, to only have like 10 seconds and 70 seconds as the options. But yeah, these are the current options that we have right here. So that's how you can make your Apple Watch not fall asleep. These are the things and settings you can change. Let me know down below in the comments if you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and subscribe so you never miss another Foxtecc tutorial in the future. See you guys later.